How to use app tracking transparency on iPhone. Ever wonder if apps are tracking your activity? Today, we explore app tracking transparency, which is ATT on iPhone, a feature that gives you control over your privacy. ATT is a privacy setting introduced by Apple that requires apps to ask your permission before tracking your activity across other companies' apps and websites. This helps protect your data and lets you choose what information is shared. Now, open the Settings app on iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and then Tracking. Here, you'll see the Allow Apps to Request to Track toggle. Turn it on allows apps to request tracking permission. You can then decide for each app individually. Turning it off prevents all apps from requesting tracking permission. You can also manage tracking permissions for individual apps directly within their settings menu. In the settings menus. App tracking transparency empowers you to decide what information apps can access. It's a very powerful tool to preserve your privacy. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.